This is an IBC boiler. It's an SL 20-160. The BTU range will be between 20 and 160 BTUs. This boiler is using two Nest thermostats and one that's not a Nest thermostat. I want to go over quickly how to wire the Nest thermostat. So first I'm going to see if I can put the camera here. Like this. Alright. I'm going to take these two thumb screws off. I'm going to lift this cover off. There's one more thumb screw inside here. When I take that off, it's going to expose the low voltage and line voltage wiring connections. Inside there's two terminal blocks. The upper one, terminal block 1, is for the line voltage. TB2 is terminal block 2 is for the low voltage. So let's take a look at the low voltage. When I look at the low voltage, I don't know if this is going to record properly. We have therm 1 corresponds with pump 1, therm 2, pump 2, therm 3, pump 3, so on. So these are called PVs for pumps. And the line voltage, the low voltage TB2 is down here, the low voltage. And each one is split up. So what happens is, when you have a thermostat, you have R and W, right? So my W's are all going to therm 1, therm 2, therm 3, therm 4. And my R's are all being looped together to wire number 5. Those are terminal 5. And it says therm 24 volts. What that's telling me is the positive side of the transformer is coming out of the 5, being wire nutted, and then it's going through your thermostats. When it comes back from the thermostats, it's going to the corresponding 1, 2, 3, and 4 that correspond to the pumps up here, okay? So if we want to use the Nest thermostat or any thermostat that requires 24 volts, then you have to go to therm ground, which is number 10, all right? So we have this green wire and blue wire. Those correspond with 2 of the Nest thermostats. So in the Nest thermostat, this green wire and this blue wire are going to the C terminal on the subbase of the Nest thermostat. If it was some other thermostat that also required 24 volts, that's where you get the common side of the low voltage step-down transformer. Okay, this is very important because I couldn't find it in the videos, and it didn't say it in the installation manuals, and I didn't know where to find the negative side of the transformer, and apparently it's therm ground. Therm ground right there, number 10. Number 5, you see, is the common side. That's your positive side of the transformer, which everything is wire knotted together. So that's the story of that. Okay.